Meet the JBL Quantum 120, built for clear comms, immersive sound, and total focus in every game. Inside the box, you'll find your JBL Quantum 120 headset, along with a detachable boom mic with a removable windshield foam and a quick start guide to get you in the game fast. Let's set it up. Simply plug in the detachable boom mic and you're ready for clear in-game communication. Connect your headset to PC or Mac, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, or mobile using the headphones cable for instant compatibility across your devices. The JBL Quantum 120 delivers powerful sound, so you can hear every detail, from footsteps to explosions, exactly the way they were meant to be heard. Take control of your game right from your headset. Adjust your volume using the built-in control wheel on the ear cup. Turn the volume wheel upwards to increase the volume and downwards to lower it. And when you need to mute the mic instantly, just press the mute button for quick and reliable control. Designed for focus, so nothing gets between you and your gameplay. Unlock even more features with JBL QuantumENGINE. Connect your headset to a PC and fine-tune your audio settings to match your playstyle. Customize your EQ and dial in your mic levels for crystal clear communication. For a more realistic gaming experience, you can also enhance spatial sound to track movements, follow the action, and react faster. Whether you're deep in a competitive match or exploring open worlds, you hear every detail exactly how you want it. That's the JBL Quantum 120. Hear every moment, win every game.